Research tracking 115,000 people revealed that recreational runners have less knee arthritis than sedentary people, proving that resting might be the exact thing destroying your joints. Let's look at the hard data immediately because it contradicts everything you've been told. In a massive meta-analysis, only 3.5% of recreational runners had knee osteoarthritis. Compare that to non-runners, who had a rate over 10%. The wear and tear model is a myth. Your cartilage isn't a car tire that wears down. It's living tissue that adapts to load. Cartilage is avascular. It has no blood supply. It relies entirely on the sponge effect. Every step you take squeezes waste out and sucks nutrients in. Without this cyclical loading, the tissue actually starves and dies. But here is the critical trap where people get hurt. While recreational running protects knees, professional competitive running with massive volume increases arthritis risk to 13%. There is a biological tipping point. So, how do you stay in the protective zone? You must follow the 24-hour rule. Mild discomfort during a run is acceptable, but if pain spikes the next morning, you've exceeded your tissue's current capacity. The evidence is clear. Sedentary behavior is arguably more dangerous for your joints than a 5K. Modify the volume, build the strength, but whatever you do, do not stop moving. Motion is lotion. Train smart, don't stop.